Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I just got my Worthy Flavors box and let me explain a couple things. It is Monday and this was supposed to have been delivered on Thursday. This is not Worthy Flavors' fault. It was sent via FedEx 2-day air. So it was sent last Tuesday to be delivered by Thursday and today is the following Monday. So this has literally been sitting somewhere for 6 days. Let's hope we can get through this without my cats tearing each other apart. So this is what happened. It was shipped on Tuesday the 22nd. It arrived local to me the following day, Wednesday, the 23rd. And it didn't get loaded onto a truck that Thursday when it was supposed to have been delivered 2-day air. And it just sat between Thursday and Monday until this morning when it was loaded onto a truck and delivered to me. And I don't think anything in here is going to be any good, but I wanted to let you know what happened. And we'll get this open and find out what's inside. But first, if you're new here, I post at least 3 videos a week. Sometimes, a lot of the times, more than that. And at least one of them is an unboxing video. So if you want to make sure you see all my unboxings, hit that red subscribe button and then tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. And if you're not new here and you keep watching these videos but haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get it out of the way. I also, before we get this open, want to let you know about aimeericca.com/freebies. I've got a lot of great stuff there and it's all free. My 5-day sugar detox, my 2021 goal setting and fresh start workbook, and lots of other stuff. And you don't have to just pick one thing. You can sign up to get as many of those as you want. So just go to aimeericca.com/freebies and get that. Also, in case you're interested, I want to let you know that I have my New Year, New You program available. This is 2 of my most popular programs. My 10-day body and mind detox with my 28-day transformation for one low price. And it's starting really soon. So you can go to aimeericca.com/programs and get that. I also have some other stuff there in case you want something different that you can also sign up for. So I usually put those at the end of the video, but this time I figured put it in front of the video, let people know about it. Now let's get the box open. I'm kind of scared. And I feel like I should be scared. This is scary. This box has been sitting. Just sitting. Okay. So, this is what's supposed to be inside. They give us some information about the water bottles. We have some recipes: sweet and savory sweet potato casserole and green beans with crispy walnuts and shallots. I think it's nice that they include recipes and it usually lets you know what's inside. All right. Here we go. Let's see. It doesn't smell so good. So this definitely does not smell good. But this is what happens when things sit. Thank you, FedEx. So it doesn't smell so good. I think the apples might be okay. We've got some Granny Smith apples, organic. The labels are on. These are probably fine. And then we've got Red Delicious apples. Again, the label's on. And we have some green beans, which are not good. These are usually so beautiful because, as people have pointed out to me, C&B Farms, the company that is one of the founding companies of Worthy Flavors. So, but these are really gross. So sad that this food was just sitting there. What is this? Pondersoa Lemon. Have you guys ever seen a lemon that big? Holy tamale. That's a giant lemon. It is the size of my head. It still feels cool. So I think that's okay. It smells good. That smells good. This other stuff does not smell good. And the green beans definitely don't smell good. One very large sweet potato, which is probably fine. It's in good shape. One more of the red delicious apples. And these are fine. Oh, I see what smells. So our kale, this actually says organic green kale. And we can see this is not green. So this is going right in the trash. It's so sad that this food was just sitting there. And this is what totally smells. Basil. FedEx. 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 Oh, it stinks. And the radishes. Ew. This is so gross. Okay. And then we have some sweet potatoes that the basil got on. So these are nasty now. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, that's so gross. Okay. So the green beans are getting tossed. So what we're left with that I didn't have to throw away. And again, this is not Worthy Flavor's fault. This is because FedEx sat on this package and did not deliver it in 2 days like they said. So all we have is 1 giant lemon, 3 sweet potatoes, 2 of them I had to clean off, and 4 apples. That's all we have out of this box. So I really hope that Worthy Flavors gets FedEx to credit this, because that's just not acceptable, FedEx. I'm sorry. It would have been nice to have some fresh basil. I would have loved that. So what was supposed to be in here were the green beans, which were not usable, the radishes, which were spoiled, the kale spoiled, and the basil was spoiled. It's really, really super sad. I'm so disappointed. What do you guys think? Obviously, it's not Worthy Flavor's fault. And had everything arrived for $39.99, I think it would have been a good deal. It's hard to tell because I only got a few things that are actually usable here. But this lemon is the most impressive lemon I've ever seen in my life. Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever seen a lemon this size before? Like 2 hands to hold it up. Have you ever seen this? That is impressive. And I almost wasn't going to film this, but I'm glad that I did, because that lemon is super cool. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. And remember, go to my website, aimeericca.com/freebies. You can download my 5-day sugar detox and my 2021 fresh start goal setting workbook. And go to aimeericca.com/programs, and you can get in on my New Year, New You program right now. It's 2 of my most popular programs put together, special for the new year at a low price. So go ahead, check that out, and I hope to see you there. That's all for now. This is Aimée, not liking FedEx. I will see you real soon. Bye.